Why People Are Healing Without Medicines. The New Science of Neuro-Regulation by Dr. Y. Gopalkrishna Singh, M.D. A New Dawn in Healing. Introduction. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we stand at the doorstep of a silent revolution. A revolution that is not happening in laboratories or pharmaceutical factories, but inside the human body itself. A revolution that is rewriting what we thought was possible in healing. For decades we were told, medicine is the only path, tablets are the only cure. And we obeyed, we trusted, we followed. But what if I told you something far more profound? Your body is not waiting for a tablet. Your body is waiting for a signal. Your brain is waiting for a reset. Your nervous system is waiting to breathe again. Every day in my clinic, I witness something extraordinary. People who suffered for 5, 10, 15 years. People who lost hope. People who were told nothing more can be done. Suddenly getting better, often within days. Not because of stronger medicines. Not because of injections. Not because of surgery. But because their nervous system was finally regulated. Because the communication between brain and body was restored. Because the electrical intelligence of human life, which was suppressed by stress, trauma, inflammation, and years of imbalance, finally woke up. And when that intelligence wakes up, healing doesn't take months. It takes minutes. We are now entering a new era. An era where healing is gentle, natural, scientific, and beautifully simple. An era where the body is no longer a passive machine needing endless chemicals, but an active, intelligent system capable of repairing itself once the correct signals are restored. Ladies and gentlemen, you are not weak. You are not broken. You are not beyond recovery. You are powerful. You are electrical. You are self-healing. And today, I want to show you the science behind this, so you understand that healing without medicines is not a miracle. It is biology. It is neuroplasticity. It is physics. It is the future. The future is not coming someday. The future is already here. And it is happening inside you. This is not magic. This is not superstition. This is not imagination. This is the science of neuroregulation, a new understanding of how the human body heals itself from within. 2. Why the old medical system fails. So many people. Modern medicine is excellent for infections, surgery, trauma, emergencies, life-saving care. But it has a limitation. It focuses almost entirely on biochemistry, on drugs. However, many chronic conditions are not biochemical. Chronic headaches, chronic pain, insomnia, anxiety, depression, migraine, IBS, neck and back pain, frozen shoulder, fatigue, stress disorders, functional neurological issues, unexplained symptoms. These are neural, not chemical. They are electrical, not structural. They are regulatory, not pathological. So patients go from doctor to doctor, medication to medication, scan to scan, and still remain sick. 3. The hidden truth. The brain controls everything. The human body is not run by chemicals alone. It is run by electrical signals, neural networks, frequency patterns, vagus nerve tone, autonomic balance, biological fields, brain-body communication. When these systems become dysregulated, people experience severe pain, insomnia, panic, chronic fatigue, brain fog, nerve pain, muscle tightness, digestive disturbances. Most of these cannot be seen in blood tests, X-rays, MRI scans, routine examinations. So the patient is told, your tests are normal. Maybe it's stress. No, it is dysregulation. And that is where neuroregulation therapies work miracles. 4. What is neuroregulation? Neuroregulation means restoring the natural communication network of the brain and body. This is done through gentle, non-invasive scientific methods like magnetic field therapy, pulsed electromagnetic therapy, PEMF, nerve stimulation, frequency-based feedback, photobiomodulation, vibration therapy, sound and resonance, biofield modulation, microcirculation enhancement. These therapies calm the nervous system, reset abnormal circuits, reduce neuroinflammation, improve blood flow, stabilize brain rhythms, restore vagus nerve function, release deep muscle guarding. When the nervous system resets, symptoms vanish. 5. Why people improve so quickly without medicines? Because medicines only work on body chemicals, but neuroregulation works on the master control system, the nervous system. Think of a computer. Medicines, Shen cleaning the files. Neuroregulation, Shen resetting the operating system. When the operating system heals, everything heals. This is why many patients experience pain relief in minutes, improved sleep in days, emotional stability, better digestion, clear mind, reduced anxiety, restored movement, normalized vitals. Even when 10 doctors, 10 medicines, and 10 tests failed. 6. Real-life transformations. What we have seen. We have seen a woman who couldn't sleep for 10 years, ready to give up her life, healed within 1 month. A young lady unable to move her shoulder for months. Full movement restored in 30 minutes. Chronic migraines disappearing. Pain patients walking normally after years. Anxiety and insomnia resolving. Many undiagnosed cases finally recovering, people who lost all hope, returning to normal life. These are not miracles. These are the natural healing abilities of the body, reactivated through neuroregulation. 7. But why doesn't everyone know about this? Because the medical system is slow to change. Doctors are not trained in neuromodulation. People trust only what they have heard before. Healing without drugs feels too simple to believe. Anything new faces resistance. Only those who experience it understand it. Just like acupuncture, meditation, yoga, laser therapy, RTMS, which were ridiculed first and accepted later, neuroregulation will soon become mainstream medicine. You are simply hearing it early. 8. The science is clear. The body is more powerful than we were taught. Every cell communicates electrically. Every organ has a frequency. Every healing process depends on the nervous system. Every chronic condition involves dysregulation. When you correct the regulation, the disease expression disappears. We are not treating symptoms. We are treating the root intelligence of the body. This is advanced medicine, not alternative medicine. 9. The future of healing. In the next 20 years, mainstream hospitals will routinely use neuromodulation, bioelectrical therapy, vagus nerve stimulation, sound therapy, pulsed electromagnetic therapy, light-based brain therapy, frequency-based medicine, personalized biofield modulation. This is the future. But here, in our clinic, the future has already begun. My beloved friends, I want you to pause for a moment and realize something deeply important. Healing without medicines is not a mystery. It is science. People heal without medicines because the nervous system is self-correcting. The brain is neuroplastic. The body is electrical. Pain is a pattern, not a fate. Stress circuits can be reset. The healing potential is already built into us. Neuroregulation simply unlocks what nature already created. This is hope. This is science. This is the new medicine. My beloved friends, I want you to pause for a moment and realize something deeply important. Your body has never abandoned you. Your brain has never stopped fighting for you. Your nervous system has never stopped trying to protect you, even when you were in pain, even when doctors said, "We cannot find the cause," even when medicines stopped working, even when sleep disappeared, even when life felt heavy and hopeless. Your biology was not failing. It was crying for regulation. It was begging for balance. It was seeking a reset. And when we finally provide that reset, whether through magnetic fields, light, sound, vibration, frequency, or vagus stimulation, the results are extraordinary, immediate, and life-changing. Because healing was never outside you. Healing was always inside you. Today, you have seen the truth. The nervous system is the master healer. And when it comes back online, the entire body wakes up, pain melts, sleep returns, mind clears, emotions settle, energy rises, hope returns. This is not alternative medicine. This is not wishful thinking. This is the new science of neuroregulation, the science that treats root causes, not symptoms. To everyone listening, this is your invitation. This is your turning point. This is your new beginning. No matter how long you have suffered, no matter how many treatments have failed, no matter how many doctors you visited, there is still hope. There is still healing. There is still a way forward. And that way begins with understanding the most powerful medicine in the universe, the human nervous system, intelligent, electrical, regenerative, unstoppable. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of healing is not coming tomorrow. The future is here, and you are a part of it. A thank you. Founder of Holistic Wellness Foundation, IMFAL. Healing Beyond Boundaries,